3 simple steps. Peel, apply, pull, and you are done.
Hello everyone, I am Soumi and welcome to my channel. For last few couple of years, I have not been visiting any salon for my waxing routine. I have been using Veet ready to use wax strips at home. So today I'll be sharing the benefits and my experience about them while I use it. Sometimes we need to do waxing urgently. That time I don't need to rush to salon, and I just love them because they can even remove the shortest hair from root. At salon also sometimes they say that no, it cannot be done because your hairs are so small, or they advise for a costlier service. Packaging is something like this. First time users can just check it. It's so handy, you can very easily carry them. It's mess free.
Let's have a closer look. It's a compact, sleek packaging. I have picked the dry skin variant. These wax strips are available for dry, normal and sensitive skin. Price of these wax strips are very affordable, even cheaper than salon waxing, starting at only ₹9.99 for 8 strips that are enough for half body waxing. You can easily wax your full arms or full legs with 8 strips. You can see 4 thick strips. Actually there are 2 strips joined together. So total 8 strips. One user manual you can find there how to use and precautions in detail, and 2 perfect finish wipes. These are the wipes you need to use after waxing.
I have very small hairs. Today I am going to try and show you. For best results, always wash properly your skin and apply some powder to absorb moisture. Please note that you can use Veet wax strips for underarm and bikini lines, but do not use them on your face or any sensitive areas. A gentle reminder, if you like my content and want to watch more contents like this, please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and share the video. If you are on Instagram, please remember to connect me there also. My IG handle is soumi.official.
First, very slowly peel the strips apart. Veet Cold wax are pre-coated with cool gel wax, so I get same result as hot wax, but there is no need to worry for heat or burning of skin. Remember to keep the other strip carefully, otherwise it may roll up and get damaged. Place the strip onto your skin and rub repeatedly in the direction of your hair grows. One thing to mention, now no need to rub the strips between the hands to separate them. Now very quickly pull the strip back on itself against the direction of your hair grows, preferably in one jerk. And you are done. I am sure result is clearly visible. It removed the shortest of hair from the roots. Same strip can be used at least thrice. I am getting very delightful aroma of aloe vera and green tea. While pulling, keep your hand close to the skin, not very far from your skin. Now time for the after wax care. To avoid redness or bumps, just do your waxing 1 or 2 days before. This is the Veet Perfect Finish Wipe. It has oil in it. It helps to get rid of any stickiness or excess wax. Just clean away softly. It will give you a perfect finish. Now I got Salon Smooth Finish at home and it will last for next 28 days.
I cannot ask anything better for me. Now Veet Cold wax strips are my all-time go waxing. It's better way to wax. So hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video with something new. Take care.